Hey guys, what is up? It's your girl Samara, aka MelaninPrincess. In this video, I'm going to show you guys basically this collaboration that I have with LuvMe hair. And yeah, so we're going to get into this hair and I'll give you guys a short little review on it. And yeah, that's what we're going to do. But if you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe to your girl's channel because it is what? It is free, F-R-E-E, point blank period. That's just it. But if you're already part of the family, you already know what to do. You just have to keep on watching.
Google, what's up?
Hey yo, Ren, turn that up. She said, show me some affection.
So I'm already obsessed with how the box look. If you guys didn't know, but my favorite color is purple. I just love purple because it just brings out that royalty. It's just such a strong color, which I just adore. So yeah, so the packaging was so cute. And I like how in the back I can just literally, oh, can I? No, oh, it's like basically like a stretchy thing, so I can just take it off because I don't like messing up the bows. Maybe that's me. So this is how it looks inside the box, guys. So I'm gonna take it one at a time. So this is the hair. All right, it's in the bag. Oh, it came with some cute little headbands. I think it's about, let's open it up and see how many. Maybe it's 5. So it's 1. So I was right. It's 5. So they have some cute little headbands that goes with it. Okay, so I'm liking the headbands. Put that over there. Oh, it's so cute. They gave me a message, guys. Enjoy your hair journey from now on. Helena, the founder of LuvMe Hair. So shout out to her. Oh, this is super cute. It came with this bag. Definitely love that. Let's see what's inside. Ooh, an edge brush. It looks like, oh, okay, so this is for your edges, like an edge scarf. Came with some bobby pins. I guess, y'all, I don't know too much about wigs. I honestly just go to my hairstylist and she just do her thing. Ooh, it gave some tweezers. So it gave like some cute little stuff. Oh, I really love this. LuvMe. Oh, that's super cute. Okay, I like that. So yeah, this is super cute. Okay, I like that. So this is pretty much the headband. And then this is the... cold, y'all. Honestly, y'all, I don't even have to do my edges, but just for the sake of this video, I am. But this is super cute. Like, this is something that I can wear for work. I'm gonna put on a headband. Let me see what matches with my outfit now. Maybe this yellow. So let me put it on. So the edge control, just in case y'all want to know, I use Even 24-hour. You normally could get it behind like the desk at your beauty supply store. That's what I get it from. So I'm about to just do my little edges and cute, something that I can wear to work because I've been looking for something that's easy, throw on. Literally all I had to do was throw it on, throw some water in my hair, and I can put some like mousse and stuff in there, but I'm not going to do that because literally it looks so pretty like this. The quality of the hair itself is like really good. It's really good. I don't know if it's bundles, I don't know y'all, but this hair, the quality of the hair is really good. It's really good. I'm just trying to show you guys, like, since I've been combing my hair, okay, I'm not finna lie to y'all, but I have, this is how much I have, and that's just me. I keep playing with it. It's not that bad on the shedding. I'm the new ambassador for Flawed and BeYoutiful, which is basically a company that which I really adore. I really adore it. They simply support women all in all, and just letting every woman, whether you are black or white or whatever ethnicity you are, that you are beautiful either way. I just love the whole message behind this company. You guys should definitely support, especially if you support me, guys. Support this brand. I am definitely about to try it on with one of their lipsticks, and I love it so much because it's purple. Y'all gotta understand, you know, I love purple. Right, like to go ahead with that. And what I love about this, y'all, it comes with a cute mirror. So when you're in the club, when you whatever, where you need a quick mirror, baby, look. So I just love this color, and it is in the color 35. So make sure you guys just go check it out. I have the link in my description box, and I just want you guys to really support it. It's so beautiful. Like, y'all, come on. So I love the smell. It smells really good. And I love that it doesn't take that much to put on. Ooh, baby, too cute. All right, guys, if you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe to your girl's channel, as well as click that bell button at the bottom for your girl, so any new videos that come out, you are the first to get notified. Also, guys, tell me what you think about this hair. Tell me if you are going to get this hair. Peace.